everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of FIBC bags. Firstly, let's talk about what does FIBC stand for. FIBC stands for Flexible Intermediate Bulk Container. These bags are incredibly versatile and are used to store and transport a variety of materials. Now let's start with the most common type, that is the standard FIBC bag. These are your basic all-purpose bulk bags. They are often used in agriculture, construction and chemical industries to transport materials like grains, seeds, sands and powdered chemicals. Standard FIBC bags are usually have a design which is simple and with an open top and a flat bottom. They can hold anywhere from 500 to 2000 kilograms depending on the size and material of the bag. Next we have conductive FIBC bags, also known as Type C bags. These are specially designed for transporting flammable powders. These bags are crucial in industries where safety is a top priority, such as in chemical and pharmaceutical sectors. Moving on, we have Type D bags. Unlike Type C bags, these don't require grounding. They are made from a special fabric that prevents the buildup of static electricity, making them perfect for transporting flammable materials in environments where grounding isn't possible. These bags are often used in industries like food processing and mining, where handling flammable materials safely is crucial. Now let's talk about ventilated FIBC bags. These bags are designed with breathable fabric to allow air circulation. They are also used in agriculture for storing and transporting products like potatoes, onions and firewood. And finally we have bulk box shaped FIBC bags. These are cube shaped bags that maximize space utilization during storage and transport. They are perfect for stacking and are commonly used in industries like food, pharmaceuticals and chemicals. So there you have it, a quick overview of different types of FIBC bags and their uses. Whether you are in the agriculture, pharmaceuticals or construction, there is an FIBC bag designed to meet your needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching.